The dawn of DIY, survival, and self-reliance. For millennia, DIY was not a hobby, but a necessity. In the harsh and unforgiving environments of early human history, the ability to create and innovate was crucial for survival. Every tool, every piece of clothing, and every shelter was a testament to human ingenuity and the will to survive. Our ancestors crafted tools, built shelters, and made clothes. Survival depended on it. They had to be self-reliant, using their hands and minds to transform raw materials into useful items. This was not just about making life easier, it was about making life possible. They used materials found in nature, like wood, stone, and animal hides. These resources were the building blocks of early human innovation. The ability to see potential in the natural world and to manipulate it to meet their needs was a skill honed over generations. These early makers were resourceful and skilled, laying the foundation for DIY. Their knowledge and techniques were passed down through the ages, evolving and improving with each generation. This tradition of craftsmanship and self-reliance is a cornerstone of human history. From the earliest hand axes to intricate woven baskets, each creation was a marvel of design and functionality. These items were not just tools, they were extensions of the human spirit, embodying the creativity and resilience of their makers. Their creations showcased ingenuity and resilience. The ability to create something from nothing, to solve problems with limited resources, is a testament to the enduring human spirit. This spirit of innovation and self-reliance is what has driven human progress throughout history. This legacy of self-reliance forms the bedrock of the DIY spirit. Today, when we engage in DIY projects, we are tapping into a rich tradition that stretches back to the dawn of humanity. We are not just making things, we are continuing a legacy of creativity, problem-solving, and self-sufficiency that has been passed down through the ages. The tools and techniques may have evolved, but the spirit remains the same. The DIY movement is a celebration of this enduring human trait, a reminder of our ability to shape the world around us with our own hands. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Industrial Revolution, a catalyst for change. This era marked a significant turning point in human history, transforming societies and economies on a global scale. The Industrial Revolution brought mass production and factories. These factories, with their assembly lines, revolutionized the way goods were produced, making them faster and more efficiently than ever before. Standardized parts and new tools emerged. This standardization meant that parts could be easily replaced and repaired, leading to a more reliable and consistent production process. While this simplified some aspects of making, it also led to a disconnect. Workers became cogs in a machine, performing repetitive tasks without seeing the final product, which led to a sense of alienation and loss of craftsmanship. People became consumers, relying on mass-produced goods. This shift changed the way people interacted with products, as they no longer needed to understand how things were made or how to fix them. However, the spirit of DIY didn't disappear. In fact, it began to thrive in new ways as people sought to regain a sense of control and creativity in their lives. People tinkered, repaired, and adapted mass-produced items. This hands-on approach allowed individuals to customize and improve upon the standardized products they bought, making them unique and personal. The seeds of modern DIY culture were sown as people sought to personalize and improve upon factory-made goods. This movement laid the groundwork for the vibrant and diverse DIY community we see today, where creativity and innovation continue to flourish. Today, the DIY spirit is alive and well, with makerspaces and collaborative workshops providing access to advanced tools and technology. These spaces foster a sense of community and shared learning, empowering individuals to create, innovate, and bring their ideas to life. The internet has further amplified the DIY movement, allowing people to share their projects, learn from others, and connect with like-minded individuals around the world. Social media platforms have become hubs of creativity, where ideas are exchanged and inspiration is found. From simple crafts to complex engineering feats, the DIY culture encompasses a wide range of activities. It encourages people to experiment, take risks, and push the boundaries of what is possible. Workshops and classes have sprung up, teaching essential DIY skills and fostering a new generation of makers. These educational opportunities ensure that the knowledge and passion for DIY continue to grow and evolve. Community events and maker fairs celebrate the DIY ethos, bringing people together to showcase their creations, share knowledge, and inspire one another. These gatherings highlight the power of creativity and the importance of hands-on learning. In the end, the DIY movement is about more than just making things. It's about empowerment, self-expression, and the joy of creating something with your own hands. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring desire to shape the world around us. The rise of DIY culture, empowering the masses. The 20th century saw DIY flourish. Post-war economic booms and increased leisure time fueled interest in home improvement and hobbies. DIY magazines, books, and later TV shows provided instructions and inspiration. People took pride in creating and fixing things themselves. This period saw the rise of DIY as a cultural movement, empowering individuals to shape their world. Technology and DIY, a perfect pairing. Technology has always influenced DIY. Power tools made tasks easier and faster. The internet became a vast resource for information, tutorials, and online communities. Digital fabrication tools like three-dimensional printers and laser cutters emerged, allowing for even greater customization and complexity. Technology continuously expands the horizons of what DIYers can achieve. AI enters the workshop, a new era of making. Now, artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming DIY. AI tools are making complex projects more accessible. Imagine getting personalized project plans, real-time feedback, and even help with design. AI can analyze your skill level, suggest materials, and guide you through each step. This opens up DIY to a wider audience, regardless of experience. AI-powered design unleashing creativity. One of the most exciting applications of AI in DIY is design assistance. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands your creative vision and helps you bring it to life. Imagine describing your dream project to an AI, and it generates multiple design options. You can tweak and refine these designs until they perfectly match your vision. These tools can factor in your skill level, budget, and material preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, the AI can tailor its suggestions to suit your needs. AI can even learn your style and suggest designs that match your aesthetic. Over time, it becomes more attuned to your preferences, making the design process smoother and more enjoyable. This empowers anyone to bring their creative visions to life. No longer do you need to be a professional designer to create something beautiful and functional. With AI-powered design tools, the possibilities are endless. The AI can also suggest improvements and optimizations, ensuring that your project is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound and efficient. Collaboration with AI opens up new avenues for creativity. You can experiment with different styles, materials, and techniques, all with the guidance of an intelligent assistant. As you provide feedback, the AI continuously learns and adapts, refining its suggestions to better align with your evolving tastes and requirements. The end result is a unique, personalized creation that reflects your individuality. AI-powered design tools are revolutionizing the DIY landscape, making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So, unleash your creativity and let AI be your guide. The future of DIY is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Smart tools. Precision and ease at your fingertips. AI is also making tools smarter. Imagine a saw that adjusts its cutting depth based on the material and your skill level, or a power drill that prevents you from stripping screws. These smart tools can provide real-time feedback, ensuring accuracy and safety. They can even learn your preferences and adapt to your working style. DIY communities in the digital age, sharing and learning. Online communities have always been vital for DIYers. Platforms dedicated to sharing projects, tutorials, and advice have exploded in popularity. AI is enhancing these communities by connecting users with relevant information and like-minded individuals. It can also translate languages, making DIY knowledge accessible to a global audience. The democratization of expertise. AI as your guide. AI has the potential to democratize expertise. Imagine having access to the knowledge of master craftspeople and professionals at your fingertips. AI-powered assistants can provide personalized guidance, answer your questions, and troubleshoot problems in real time. This empowers anyone to tackle complex projects with confidence. The future of DIY, a world of possibilities. The future of DIY is bright. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more innovative tools and applications. Imagine AI-powered robots collaborating with humans on complex builds, or personalized fabrication labs that can create custom objects on demand. The possibilities are limitless. As a conclusion, let's embrace the DIY spirit in the age of AI. From our ancestors' essential crafts to today's AI-powered workshops, the DIY spirit has endured. AI is not replacing human ingenuity but amplifying it. It's making DIY more accessible, empowering, and exciting than ever before. As we embrace these new tools and technologies, we continue the legacy of creativity, self-reliance, and the joy of making. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.